Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. We're about to see what's inside. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for review. And hopefully everyone had a good day. And we are moving this month along, guys. It's going fast. March flew by. So I'm sure April is going to go faster than finally it's summertime. And here we go. Oh, baby. This coming from Lumary Smart. Ooh. They did a nice job packaging. Look at that. Oh, baby. Here we go, guys. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Oh, yeah. Okay. Clear some room out of the way. We got a big old box. And this is nice. Time to decorate your home. Your outside home, at least. With the RGBAICW Lumary Permanent Outdoor Eave light. Never heard of that. Oh, look at this. This is gonna definitely annoy my neighbors now. I swear. It's like that the Burbs with Tom Hanks back in the day. Outdoor RGBAI 80 lights, 118 feet. Oh, baby. We got the app. 16 million colors to choose from. Cool and warm, voice control. So Alexa and probably Google, or maybe Siri too. Oops.
Google is a multinational
Alexa, cancel.
From the United States of America.
Alexa, cancel.
It is known for creating
Alexa,
one
cancel.
of the largest search engines on the World Wide Web. Every day, more than 1 billion people use it.
Hold on. Oh my God. She wouldn't stop. Here we go. Okay. There they are. You can check their websites. I'll leave their link also. But you can also have choice from Amazon or their website. Either or. Both are safe. Really good companies. So definitely check them out and check out the other goodies they have to offer. And now we're going to open this up. It's been raining the last few days, so hopefully maybe by this weekend I can do a quick install. But right now we're going to do the setup on this video and everything else. So we're going to do 2 videos. Oh, here we go. Alright, we get the manual. Quick start guide. It's always a good thing. Get a remote control also. Oh, look at that. Excellent presentation, guys. You can tell the company cares how they ship their products. Oh boy. Look at this. We've got a lot of light bulbs. Oh boy. Holy moly. This is going to be fun. Take one box at a time out. Nothing at the bottom, I don't think. That one's empty. This might be a long video, so grab some popcorn. We are in the second box right now. Like I said, this is what it looks like. Got the 3M, super strong. And then the, look at those. I'll take it out of the bag once I get these out. So I'm sure these are all the same. Maybe one might have the remote control in it. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, so here's one of the main units. And I like the circuit breaker. Yeah, this has the remote control and stuff. Let's see. But I would definitely set it up before you install. It's all waterproof. And baby. Yes. And they also send you extras, clips, and sticky stuff. Ooh-wee. Uh-oh. There's a remote. Triple A's probably. Yeah, triple A's. Lumary. Lumary? I don't even know. You get a lot of extras, so that's a good thing. So this is like the accessory box. Here's the power source. See? Now let me make sure that's empty. It's been a long day. There we go. And this should be the other box of bulbs. Gotta make room. Home. Yeah, here we go. So, empty. Another bag. So we get 2 bags of bulbs, bag of accessories, controller, pretty much everything you need. You might want to buy 2, or depends on how big your house is. And you can always hire somebody, like on Thumbtack, or if you guys have that app where they have people to install lights and pretty much anything you need housework on. So who knows? But definitely I'm going to do the setup now. Move that down. Man, look at these bulbs. It's kind of like the Iron Man. Really nice, clear. Can't wait to see how they look. And we got a bag of accessories right there. Got this. Trunk go there. We got another bag here. A lot of wire, a lot of cable. Ah, gotta love that smell. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna have to grab my tablet. Bam. There should be a QR code scan for the app, or it should just be Lumary. Yeah, see? Lumary app. The App Store, iOS, Android, Google Play. Locked and loaded. Okay, let me grab my tab. Be back. Alright guys, here it is. Once you pop it up on the Google Play Store, that's what it's going to look like. Hopefully you can see. Right there, Lumary. These batteries. Right there. So I'm going to install that and start connecting these all together. Alright guys, I've plugged everything in. As you can see. Oh, sorry about that. Drop the mic. You can see right there. Got them connected. Those 2 over there. And also throughout there and throughout the heap of cords. But pretty simple to hook up. And now we're going to go on the app. Alright guys, we got them all plugged in, set up. Got each one all done. Now we got the app running. Here we go. Alright, so we go through here. Add a device. Location. While using the app. So they got a lot of stuff to choose from. Let me find out what it is. Oh, you can also add the discovery button which is on the top corner. It's going to search in a few. There we go. We got that going, pairing mode. And it brought it up right there. So all we got to do is add and then enter your Wi-Fi password. Now it's going to be adding. Gonna take a few. Pretty cool. Boom. There we go. And now you can name it outdoor lights. Outdoor lights. See? Bada boom. Done. Oh, here we go. Whoa. That's cool. Get a little light show going for your neighbors. Oh yeah. You can always add on to it too. So like I said, they got the connectors. And then you just gotta plug it into that one. But this is an extra one, I think, for the next set of lights I decided to add on. But I'm really happy these are working. Simple, easy to do. And you can do music, game, romantic. You can do gaming, outdoor gaming. See how it goes. That's cool. And then, like I said, I'm going to do the basic. Hold on top, you can change it to festival, mood, dream at the sea. And you can, of course, change the speed and stuff. Festival, Halloween. And you can adjust it, you know. There's the blues. You know, that way, and do all that. And you can always pick your colors, whatever you want. So, like for college schools, you could change it to your college team. You know, stuff like that. Especially the frat houses, you know. Or you can make your own DIY. Let's see what else really quick. But it's pretty much simple. Easy to install. And we got combinations. That's pretty cool. So, like I said, check them out. Link is going to be down below. Either their website or affiliate, Amazon. And browse around. See what other goodies they got. Other sales they got going on. You never know. But these are really cool. Definitely recommend these. You can do countdown. There's a lot. Alright, guys. You guys have a good one. Be safe. Take it easy. Alrighty.